Welcome to Showcase Richmond. I'm Matt DiNardo. Your home represents so much, like memories, safety, comfort, and the hard work you put into paying for it and also keeping up with the maintenance. But what if you've been hit with these rough times, and that could cost you that home that you cherish so much, and it may be taken away from you and your family? Bankruptcy could be the answer. To tell us more is Rusty Bowman with the Bowman Law Firm. Rusty, once again, I'd like to welcome you back. Even as this economy begins to turn around a little bit, we still hear about people who have a tough time keeping up with their mortgage payments. What can they do?
Thank you for the opportunity to be here today. Thank you for the opportunity to share the message of what they can do. Is first and foremost, we and anyone else out there today understands the loss of a home. Right. You said it best. People have invested their lives in the home. One of the opportunities is to apply for a mortgage loan modification. Many of those programs are under great pressure right now. There may be programs that are expiring. There's certainly some tax opportunities out there where you can get the 1099 that would follow the modifications waived. Virginia Association of Housing Counselors, their number is on screen, makinghomeaffordable.gov. Wonderful, wonderful organization, available 24/7 to help you achieve a loan modification. A great program.
It's a great program. It may be a step in the right direction, but if some are a little bit past that, they may be thinking of bankruptcy, and now there are two bankruptcies that they could consider. Explain those.
Yes, if you have already received a notice of foreclosure, or alternatively, as a part of that process, you've just decided that I don't want this home anymore, there's still some very important steps to take, and bankruptcy is the solution. It is the only solution that will stop a foreclosure. Don't trust any of these scam operators. Some of the foreclosures can be stopped the very same day.
And that's a big thing, because people may be thinking, well, I got to find a place to live, but they could stop it and they could stay in their house at that point.
Absolutely. You can have a rational conversation to pursue an alternative place to live, or alternatively, even in bankruptcy, you can achieve a loan modification. We are doing that on a daily basis. The mortgage companies don't want these homes back.
Right. Let's get back to those two types of bankruptcies.
Yes.
There are two different filings, Rusty.
There's a Chapter 13 bankruptcy where you just keep property with a repayment plan. You can, in that repayment plan, shift dollars. For example, taking some of those high dollar car payments and shifting that money to help pay back and catch up on your home. There's a brilliant solution. Or a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, which is a liquidation of non-exempt assets where you can do things in an orderly manner over a period of time, keeping the car, keeping the home, doing what is necessary to help protect your interest.
Now, these are two very involved steps, either
Yes.
13 or 7. So in order to make this choice, we need to look to the Bowman Law Firm to find out which way to go.
Absolutely. There's a huge, huge opportunity to fail today. We're seeing so much of it in people filing their own bankruptcy cases, or in not being properly represented in the bankruptcy case. Bowman Law Firm is a firm that's been in business for over 21 years, helped over 93,000 Virginians. We have 18 expert bankruptcy lawyers.
That really begins to get the wheels in motion so that we can put an end to foreclosing on the home and start to turn the life around of people.
Absolutely, to help people regain their financial health.
What final advice do you have for people watching right now?
Call us. Call us at the earliest opportunity. We offer a free consultation. We are non-judgmental. We preserve your dignity at all times. We help you to maintain your vision of how you want to govern your life in the future. If worst case, you get an opportunity to visit with a lawyer and a fairly decent cup of coffee.
Fairly decent cup of coffee. I like that. Let's give you the information you need to know to contact Bowman Law to end your financial hardships. You want to give them a call right now, 804-355-2057 or bowmanlaw.com. Remember, consultations are free. So is that cup of coffee that Rusty is promising. They have a location right here in Richmond. Rusty, thank you so much again.
Matt, thank you so much. It's always a great pleasure to be with you.